enjoy the results.
So you said like what? Huh? Any other sources?
Lamp.
The what?
Lamp.
Lamp. Okay. We have a lamp. We have the sun. Does anyone have any other?
The torch.
The torch. Okay. Amazing. All of these are sources of light. But if we
Miss
have
حضرتك مش مشيرة أي حاجة.
The main
let's-
source of light is sun.
yes, okay, the main source of light is sun.
Electricity.
Okay, so now if I ask you, what is the, just a second, do I consider the moon as a source of light?
No, it just reflects light.
No, it's
not
just the
source of light.
sun's reflection.
It's
just the sun's reflection.
Yeah, that's
Sun's
amazing. So now we know the main source of light is called what?
Sun.
Sun. But the moon is only the reflection of what?
Of sunlight.
Yes. So the moon doesn't give us any light. Okay.
Okay.
So the light, we consider it as a source of energy. We consider it as what?
Source of energy.
A source of energy. We
Light
have other
is-
plants. Yeah.
Light is energy.
Yeah, it's a light energy. But can someone else tell me other sources of energy?
Just light or maybe another thing.
Okay, you know what does it mean energy? يعني أما أقول energy طاقة, what does it mean? It is the ability to do work, something that's able to do work or to make a change. It could make a change, okay?
Okay.
Okay, like for example, the sunlight, it's an energy, right? I said light is energy, right? أنا
Yes.
قلت النور طاقة. So how can it make work? Oh, miss, I know that the light, the source of energy of light, gives the plant the sunlight. The plants take it and makes the what? The photosynthesis process, right?
Yes. Right.
You know the photosynthesis process?
Yes. عملية البناء
Yeah,
الضوئي.
and when the photosynthesis, yeah, عملية البناء الضوئي. And when it happens, what happens to the plant?
The planet make its food.
Oh, the plant, not the planet. الكوكب بيعمل أكل.
Plant.
No.
The plant.
The plant, of course. The plant makes its own food. يبقى كده معناها اللايت عبارة عن energy بيقدر يعمل work. Okay.
And gives us oxygen.
No, yeah, you mean the plants itself, right?
Yes.
Yes, the plants give us oxygen and takes what in? Can someone
Carbon
else tell me?
dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
Yes, that's amazing. So it takes in the carbon dioxide, which is very bad. Does anyone have any idea why is carbon dioxide very bad?
Because it مش عارف اسمها بالانجليزي ايه بتعمل الاحتباس الحراري.
احتباس حراري، حد كان ممكن يعرفني ايه الاحتباس الحراري ده؟ او ايه اسمها ايه بالانجلش؟ اللي يترجم كلمة اللي عارف حاجة عنها. اسمه global warming. اسمه ايه؟ global warming. يعني ايه global warming؟ معناها احتباس الحراري. معناها ايه؟ there is a lot of bad like the carbon dioxide and other gases, and it's big amounts in the air, which cause the planet to be very hot. The temperature is very hot. And if I say the temperature...
And also
yeah?
the carbon, we can't breathe carbon dioxide. If
Yes.
Oxygen gas is disappear from Earth, we all will die because we can't breathe.
Yes, of course. So the oxygen is the main gas we can breathe with. So
we must take care of plants.
Yes, of course, we must take care of the plants for us and for the planet too. Because if the carbon dioxide increased, that means the temperature of the planet will increase. And can someone tell me when the temperature of the planet will increase, what happens? دلوقتي درجة حرارة الأرض ارتفعت قوي. إحنا عندنا something could happen. What do you think could happen?
If it's high really much, we may die because the sun. No, not the sun. It will be really hot, so we will die.
Okay, we will think about something else. Lara, can you tell us what do you think if the temperature of Earth was very high? Huh? Lara, can you open your mic? Or someone else than Muhammad? Huh? Salwa, can you tell me? What do you think? Huh? I want someone else. What will happen? I want you to think. درجة حرارة الأرض دلوقتي ارتفعت عشان global warming. What could happen? You know the Antarctica? The continent of Antarctica?
Yes. I remembered. That all the ice in Antarctica will be water, and maybe tsunamis will attack the world.
Yes, so the whole world is gonna be flooded with water and everyone is gonna drown. Okay? Everyone's gonna die from the water. Okay, so we don't need that. So we have to stop the carbon dioxide and start planting more trees. Okay?
I have 10 plants in my house.
That's amazing. Does anyone else have plants in their house? I want others. Open your mics and talk to me. Huh? We have other people. Open your mics, please. Lara, Noor, Salwa. Does anyone else have plants?
I have. Look.
Yeah, it looks amazing, Muhammad. Huh? Noor, Lara, Salwa, and we have a name called iPhone. Huh? افتحوا لي المايكس يا جماعة.
ثروة فاتحة المايك بس ما بتتكلمش. Don't.
Okay, I'm asking, does anyone else have plants in their houses or no?
Yes.
Yes, amazing. Okay, so we're gonna talk about other forms of energy. We have something called sound energy, which we are doing now. Isn't this called sound energy? The speakers. Can someone else tell me other sources of sound energy? I want others. Noor, Lara, Salwa, can you tell me other sources of sound energy?
TV.
TV, amazing. Someone else? There is the radio, there is the piano, the guitar. There is a lot of sources of energy, of sound energy. Okay, we have another source called electric energy. Can we have examples for the electric energy?
The lamp and the television, a fridge, all of these things.
Yeah, it takes electric energy.
The washing machine.
Yes.
Because they work with just with electric.
Yeah, with electric energy. That's amazing. And the magnetic energy. There is something called magnetic energy. Okay. Amazing.
Okay.
But there is a question now. They are asking, do you think that all these forms of energy can be seen? Can we see the light and can we see like the electric energy, magnetic energy, all this?
No.
No.
We can't see electric energy.
Okay, but what about the light energy? Can we see it or no?
Yes, we can see light. Yes.
Of course. So we have a really important information here, that the only energy that we can see is what? What is it called?
It's light energy. Light energy.
It's light energy. So the only source of energy I can see, it's the light energy. But the magnetic or sound or kinetic or whatever energy, I can't see it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So for example now, if I say Fadia, I ask you a question. Can you open your mic? Fadia. I don't know. Okay, you can write in the chat or show me that you are here with me. Maryam, someone else.
His hand like this.
Yeah. Okay, Maryam.
I
Hi,
don't-
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, amazing. Can you tell me, can you see the sound energy or no?
No.
No. So what do you think we can see from the energy? Like if I say choose which one, sound or light energy or magnetic energy?
The light energy?
Which? Yeah, the light energy, amazing. And we say the only source of energy we can see is called light energy, okay? Clear?
Here.
Yes. And it's called the visible
Were you
spectrum.
sharing a
So we
screen?
call the light.
I
Yes,
see.
can't you see it?
I
Does
just
anyone else have a problem or
see it now.
does
Silly.
oh, okay, you just saw it now. Okay, amazing. So we have another name for the light energy. You know that everyone has a nickname, right? Doesn't everyone
What?
have his name and a nickname,
Yes.
right? Yeah, so the light energy has a nickname. It's called visible spectrum. What is it called?
Visible spectrum.
spectrum. It's called
Visible spectrum.
visible spectrum يعني معناها الطيف المرئي. يعني what does that mean? That means whenever you see the light you can see it. It's visible. الطيف المرئي يعني ايه؟ بقدر اشوفه قدامي.
visible يعني
Okay?
مرئي.
It's visible, not
يعني طيف.
yes, but الطيف, yeah. So if I ask you, according to this information, if I say the electric energy, what is it called? Can someone
Invisible
guess?
spectrum.
Do you call it invisible or
Invisible?
invisible? That's correct. We call it what? Invisible, not un, okay? In, and then I write the word visible. Invisible spectrum, okay? Understood?
Yes, understood.
Yeah, amazing. Okay, so here in the visible spectrum, they said we will study two things. The first thing is sources of light. Where does the light come from? And the second thing, the properties of light. How does the light thing work? Okay, so these are the two main things we're gonna be talking about.
Okay.
So for example, as we said, what is the sources of light? We have the main source
The
of
sun.
light. What is it called? The sun. We know this. This is a fact. The main source of light on Earth is called what?
The sun.
The sun. Okay. We have candles.
I said the sun and candles and electric lamps. Is this
Yes.
kerosene lamps اللي هي لمبات الغاز؟
Yes, it's like
that?
yeah, الفتلة كده بحطها في غاز كده. It's called احنا عندنا كده. We have the sun. We have
Yes.
candles. We have kerosene lamps. It's called what? Kerosene lamps.
Kerosene
Lamp.
lamps.
And the last thing is electric lamps.
Electric lamps.
Electric lamps. Okay. Oh, does anyone have kerosene lamps in their house?
No, I have candles and electric lamps.
Candles and electric.
My grandfather
Okay.
have two.
Yeah, I think. Does anyone
Teacher?
have their?
Yeah, I have a kerosene lamp in my house.
Oh, that's amazing. So when the light turns off, you can turn it on?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, until
That's
the
dangerous. Yeah, until it returns back. That's
And
amazing. Okay.
if the light is cut off and we were at morning, we can use sunlight. We can open the windows and doors.
Yes,
The house
yes,
will.
of course. The house will be lightened up from the sun because we are in the morning. But if at night, okay,
At
if
night
we
we
have
use
a party
candles.
Use
and
candles
kerosene
or
lamp.
kerosene lamps.
or kerosene lamps, can I use the electric lamps at night if it's the light turn off?
No, because electric lamps use electric.
Oh, of course, it uses electricity or electric energy. Okay, Lara. Hello, Lara. No, she went. Okay, Noor.
She's
And
not
the other
here.
Muhammad. We have another Muhammad. Noor. Oh yeah, she left. Noor. Can you open your mic, Noor?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me, when do you use the candles? Huh?
Yes.
When do you use the candles? For a great occasion. When do you use the candles?
When we don't have electricity.
Yeah, when we don't have electricity, we use candles. And we use it for another occasion. It happens once a year. Huh? What is it?
I know.
There is an
I
occasion.
know. Can I say?
Birthday.
Yes, that's correct. We use it on the cake. Yeah, of course. Okay.
Lara.
Okay, so now we said that the sun is the main light source on Earth. But the moon, we said it's not a light source. Why? I want someone else to answer.
Because it just reflects sunlight.
Wait a second, Muhammad. We want someone else. Lara. Can you open your mic? You have problems with your mic? If you have a problem with your mic, just write in your chat. Okay, I want the other Muhammad. We have another Muhammad. Muhammad, can you open your mic, please? Hello? Okay, I want everyone to open their mics because he left. Okay, let's see. So we said, Maryam, do you remember what did we say about the moon? Why is it not a source of light? Although we see the light at night.
Yeah, but the moon isn't a source of light because it reflects the sunlight.
Yes, although we see it like so bright at night, it isn't it. No, it stole the light from where?
From the sun.
From the sunlight. Yeah, it stole the light from the sun.
Sunlight.
Yeah,
But sunlight is source.
Yeah, because the sun is the main source. Okay, so now these are the sources of light. أنواع اللايت اللي هي تبقى شكل إيه. Okay, now we're gonna talk about the properties of light. يعني إيه properties of light؟ يعني
خصائص
بتاعت اللايت. خصائص اللايت. Okay, we have the first thing called traveling of light in straight lines. What does that mean?
يعني اللايت بيسافر في خط مستقيم.
يعني
بيمشي في خط
اللايت خط مستقيم بس هل ينفع يمشي زجزاج؟
لا.
هل ينفع يمشي ويفي؟ لا. ليه؟ تعالوا في تجربة عندنا، أنا لو كنت معايا بس مش كان ينفع أفتح بتاع هوريكم وممكن تعملوها after the class. تعالوا نشوف إيه التجربة. أنا عندي 3 cardboards. شايفين ال3 cardboards دول؟
Yeah, teacher.
قد بعض. وعملت hole in the middle. عملت hole. شايفين الهول ده؟
Yes.
بس الهول has to be the same in all 3 cardboards. Okay?
If it wasn't the same, we won't see light.
Why? Because it's in the same position. What happened when I put a candle
in straight line?
Yes, that's amazing. So I put a candle in this side and I'm looking from this side. And I have 3 cardboards. Because they are all lined up in one straight line, when I look from this side, I can see the candle from the other side, right?
Right.
Yeah. Right. But what happens if, let's say Muhammad was like playing with the cardboard and then he made it in another position. Like we were playing stuff and Muhammad just changed the position of the cardboard. And now it is like zigzag. Can he see the light when we look? Can we see the candle from the other side?
No, because the light travels in straight lines.
Yeah, straight line. And Muhammad by mistake changed the position of this one. So there are not all, the holes are not in a straight line, so I can't see it. Okay?
Okay.
Amazing? Clear?
Okay.
We can do this experiment at our homes. You just put a candle or whatever.
I
We
have
can put the flashlight. I have
Yeah, for example, you know the rules بتاعت البيبر، عارفين اللي هي بتاعت اللي بتبقى فيها مناديل؟
هي الكوتشينة تنفع؟ الكوتشينة تنفع؟
طبعا عملت كوتشينه فيها نقط،
نعم.
عملت فيها دوريات تقدر تشوف برضه تست تنفع، المهم تعرف توقفها. اوكي؟
خد راحتك.
يعني فور اكزامبل لو انا قلت عارفين بتاعت المناديل كده مش بيبقى فيها بقره في النص كده؟
يس.
يا لو انا بصيت فيها وبصيت على الناحيه الثانيه مش بشوف؟
بشوف.
طب بعتبره ان انا قدامي حاجه وتنيت بقره المناديل دي، هل هتقدر تشوف حاجه؟
No.
لا مش هقدر اشوف، لان انا المفروض يبقى اللايت بتاعي بيبقى في ستريت لاين، في ستريت لاين، غير كده ما اقدرش اشوف حاجه، اشوف علبه المناديل من جوه بس. اوكي let's see عندنا ايه تاني. اوكي
I have a question.
yes of course you can ask.
Is the kinetic energy or the أنهي واحدة هي اللي بتاعت الحركة؟ الكاينتك ولا كان واحدة في تانية كده؟
kinetic energy وعندها potential energy.
أنهي واحدة بقى فيهم الحركية بتاعت الحركة؟
kinetic.
Okay. Thanks.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay. تعالوا نشوف. بيقول لك نتيجة traveling of light in straight lines حصل phenomena معينة. يعني ايه phenomena؟ حصلت ظاهرة معينة. اوكي؟ نتيجة ان اللايت transferring in straight lines حصل ايه؟
ظاهرة معينة.
الظاهرة دي حاجتين. حصل حاجتين. ايه بقى؟ أول حاجة بيقول لك ايه؟ formation of images through narrow holes. يعني
انعكاس
ايه؟
الضوء.
يعني انت
يعني بتشوف
لا
حاجة
لا
مقلوبة؟
لا مش كده، بيقول لك بتقدر
But we
تشوف
can
الاشياء.
see the things from a narrow hole.
Yeah for example عارفين التلسكوب
Like it's
او
so
مثلا
thin
عارفين
hole.
yeah so small holes, although it's a very small hole you can see the whole object.
بنشوف الحاجة مقلوبة.
صح؟
نشوف الشمعة طايرة في الهواء.
لا لا مش دي تبعها، دي هنا ايه؟ انا بتكلم على اللايت. عارفين ان محدش مثلا راح في مكان عالي جدا عشان ويبص من التلسكوب ويشوف الحاجات من تحت وشايفها كلها برغم ان الدوريه اللي بيوصص منها صغيره قوي؟ ايه اللي يخليك من دوريه صغيره جدا تشوف المبنى الكبير ده؟ عشان ايه؟ الفينومينا بتاعت اللايت ان هو بترانسفير ان ستريت لاين. اوكي؟ يعني دي من خصائص اللايت ان اقدر اشوف الايمجز من ايه؟ من نارو هولز. فاهمين ولا لا؟ يعني فور اكزامبل اقول لكم حاجه، لو انتوا لو انتوا عملتوا بايديكم، عملتوا دوريه كده بايديكم، اعملوا دوريه صغيره كده بايديكم وبصوا فيها. هتلاقي مثلا الاوضه صغرت. اعملوا بايديكم دوريه. عارفين يعني ايه يعملوا دوريه؟ صغيره كده بايدكم.
No.
يعني with your fingers do a circle with your fingers.
It's not small.
Yeah, anything turn to small? No, it didn't turn to small. You can see everything in proportional size, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the phenomena. The second thing, formation of shadow. The second thing is called what?
Formation of shadow. Because it's the light travels in a straight line, so when we put a thing instead of light, it makes shadow. But if don't traveling in a straight line, it's kind of like if we
it doesn't make so if it doesn't
because it can't pass from things. It just can pass from الحاجات الشفافة.
Okay, we will see this later on. بس احنا دلوقتي بنتكلم على ايه؟ formation بتاع الشادو. But for it, you know something? Does anyone know if I hold a candle, okay, and it's on fire? Does anyone have any idea? Could I see the flame of the candle or not? Does the flame of the candle have a shadow or no?
have
تعالوا
shadow.
نفكر. أنا دلوقتي أنا عندي candle، أوكي؟ وولعتها دلوقتي بالنار. I'm looking at the wall to see does the flame have a shadow or no. What do you think? كم واحد منكم عاوزين عشان نشوف؟ كم واحد منكم
have a shadow.
Okay, all of you say it has a shadow.
No, I'm thinking now.
Who doesn't agree with this? يلا اللي agree يرفع ايده. عشان نشوف الأغلبية مين بقى. You agree? Okay.
1 minute.
Okay, let's see. تفضلي. Does the candle flame
Not
have
me.
shadow? Okay, let's see. Where is the right? Does the candle flame have wait a second, shadow? Can you search it, please, Google? Let's see the
To
picture.
agree and all the remaining
What
don't
happened
agree.
here? Can we look here? What happened? Do you see the shadow of the flame?
No, only we can see the shadow of the candle.
Of the or the match. Here is the match, not
Yes,
the candle.
I'm right.
Yes, you guessed right. So now, if we want to try it at home, does the flame of the candle have a shadow?
Because it
Or
is
the
the source of light, so it don't have a shadow.
Yeah.
Okay, so it doesn't have a shadow, and we can try this at home. Okay, try this at night.
I can try
See what's gonna happen. Okay, I want you all try it and tell me what is the results. So you can't see the flame of the candle
try it
or the
now.
matches. Okay, that's amazing. So okay, so now to sum up what we took today,
Okay.
let's see. I'm gonna ask questions.
Are we talking
Are you
today
ready,
about
guys?
Can I ask a question?
Yes, about light. Yes, of course.
Are
you
we
can ask.
talking today about light only or about all kinds of energy?
No, we're only talking about light today, but we talk about the other types of the other examples only. We mentioned them. بس ذكرنا اسمهم. Okay, Hamza, you can ask. Go ahead. Hamza.
Yes.
Yes. What is your question?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. Can you tell me, Hamza, what is the main source of light on Earth?
The sun.
The sun. Amazing. Can you tell me what is the only energy we can see? Yusuf. Yusuf Shalabi?
Yes, teacher.
I don't know if it's your name or a nickname.
Yes.
Can you tell me what is the only energy we can see?
The electric?
You can see the electric?
No.
If I say, for example, I have electric and magnetic and the
What
light.
did you see?
Which one?
A light. Light.
Yeah, and the light is the only one. Okay?
Because
Correct,
we
Noor?
can't
Yes.
see
So the
anything. We can't see anything without light.
Yes, so the light is the only source of energy that I can see, right? الحاجة الوحيدة الطاقة الوحيدة اللي بقدر أشوفها اسمها إيه؟ light. لو قال لي
Light.
magnetic أقول له no. kinetic لا. Okay? and ممكن بقى حد تاني يقول لي من اللي قاعدين الاسم النيك نيم بتاع اللايت بندلعه ونقول له إيه؟
أنا.
ماشي. قول يلا.
كان اسمه إيه؟ visible spectrum.
visible spectrum, that's correct. عارفين يا جماعة visible spectrum تتكتب ازاي ولا اكتبها لكم تاني؟
أنا مش فاكر. أنا هكتبها استنى. يعني أنا هكتبها.
visible يعني ايه كلمة visible؟ visible يعني مرئي، بقدر اشوفه. وspectrum يعني ايه؟ يعني الطيف.
لا ما تقوليش
visible
سبيكتر
اوكي
كده.
يبقى اسمه ايه؟
مس كده.
بالظبط يس بالظبط كده. يبقى ده اسمه كده ايه؟ اسمه visible spectrum. شاطرين يا جماعة كده، حلو جدا. يبقى كده أنا عرفت إن اسمه visible spectrum يعني إيه؟ الطيف المرئي.
الطيف المرئي.
الطيف المرئي amazing.
عشان
Okay.
باقي الايمجز كلها بنقول عليها invisible spectrum.
invisible
عشان ما
spectrum
بشوفش
يعني
واحدة فيهم.
ما أقدرش أشوفه. Yes ما أقدرش أشوفه. Okay. Let's see the last question. إيه آخر سؤال أسأله؟ نسأل مين بقى بالاسم بقى؟ إحنا عايزين 3 hearts ما فتحش معانا النهاردة. اللي عامل 3 قلوب بنفسجي. أو دانا. Hi Dana, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Can you tell me any source of light energy? Any example, please?
She closed the mic.
Dana.
She closed the mic, I think. Yes,
Yes.
she closed.
Yes.
Yeah, can you tell me any sources of light energy? Like what?
Animals.
Animals? No, not life. I'm saying light. مصادر الضوء. Lamp.
The lamp.
Lamp. Amazing. Yes, and we have what? We have the sun.
It's the main source.
The main source, and the candles. And to sum up, what did we say? Does the flame of the candle have, and the torch, amazing. Does the flame of the candle have a reflection or no? Huh?
I know.
I know.
Don't say.
Does it? Okay. Yalla. Mean, does the flame of the candle have a reflection or no?
I
No, don't say.
Okay. It doesn't have. أو زي ما احنا شايفين في البيكتشرز كلها. It doesn't have. And I want you all to try it at home وقولوا لي هيحصل ايه. Okay? And of course احنا قلنا اهم properties موجودة في اللايت ان هو ايه؟ Transfer in zigzag line or straight line. صح؟
straight line.
straight line. ممكن ده كلنا نجربه في البيت نشوف ان هو فعلا هيمشي في straight line بس ولا zigzag. اوكي؟
في حد مش 3 قلوب مش.
اوكي. اي حد عنده اي سؤال في اي حاجة النهاردة؟ Feel free to ask.
No.
No? Okay. I had